Students, how are you all? So let's start today our GK subject, and today in GK subject we are going to start lesson number 14, that is India and the Nobel. So in this chapter we are going to learn the name of the person and they received the Nobel Prize and in another field also. So each picture is also clear and in clue box answers are also given. So first of all, the Nobel Prize winner show here the either Indian or have an Indian connection. Read the information and identify each person. Okay, pictures are clear and names are also given in the clue box on page number 25. Your lesson start from page number 24. So first one picture is here, a great writer and philosopher. Okay, second thing, became the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. The author of the national anthem of India and Bangladesh. See, here it is, author of national anthem not only of India but also of Bangladesh. So answer is A, and in clue box answer of A is Rabindranath Tagore. Here is a picture of person and known as Rabindranath Tagore. Second one, won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 along with Thomas Statis and Ada Yonath. Current president of the Royal Society of London. Here is the picture, and if name is not clear in your mind after seeing picture, answer is E, and in E of your clue box answer is given Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. Okay. Now third one, born in 1888 in Tamil Nadu, was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930, discovered the Raman effect. So from the word it is clear, answer is H, and answer of H is C.V. Raman. Okay, and number 4 picture is clear, received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979, set up many homes for the poor. She helped the poor people, established the missionaries of charity in Kolkata, also established the Nirmal Hriday organization, that is soft heart. Okay, one type of organization, pity for the person who is poor or unable to handle the home. Okay, no one is there to care them, so she started to take care through the help of organization established. Name is Nirmal Hriday. So name is of this person you can easily clear out. So she is, answer is here it is given F, and answer of F is, you can say, Saint Teresa. Okay, Mother Teresa is also right, but in clue box it is given Saint Teresa. Now on page 25, synthesized the first woolly artificial gene, received the Nobel Prize in psychology, medicine. Here it is given. Okay, in psychology, that is medicine for the psychologic, in 1968 with Robert W. Hawley and Marshall W. Nirenberg, that is Nirenberg. Was awarded the USA National Medal of Science. Okay, awarded in USA also Medal of Science, National Medal of Science. Became a naturalized citizen of the USA in 1966. So picture, fifth one, answer is B, and answer of B is Hargobind Khurana. Next one, won the Nobel Prize in Economic Science in 1998, researched the cause of famine and poverty. Okay, did research in famine and poverty. Answer is G, and answer of G is here it is given Amartya Sen. And next, number 7. Won the 1983 Nobel Prize in Physics for his studies on the physical process important to the structure and evolution of stars, the nephew of Dr. C.V. Raman. Okay, here is the picture. Answer is C. Okay, so answer of C is Subramanian Chandrasekhar. Number 8. The children's rights activist won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 along with Malala, here it is given, Yousafzai, founded the Bachpan Bachao Andolan, which helped to protect the right of more than 83,000 children from 114 countries. Okay, so answer, it is clear D, and answer of D, it is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay students, so today only we are going to do one chapter. We are going to finish in textbook and also write in notebook one time. Thank you students, have a nice day.